Hello friends on YouTube, welcome to another video. I am currently making a video for channel members and I'm testing a new black edition of the fan speed adjuster that can also decrease the fan speed if it's too loud and you have a good cooling. And now, before I can continue with the other video, as you can see, I opened the PlayStation 5 and I didn't clean it for a few months, and as you can see there is some dust inside now. And of course, before I can do anything and test anything, I want to clean it. And for this I have a nice device here, ordered it from AliExpress a few weeks ago and I already tested it. It works really nice, came with a nice packaging, super power turbo fan, and I already cleaned the PlayStation 5 for a friend. You can see a lot of brushes and everything, and I'm now going to test it on my PlayStation. So for this it's probably better to get the fan also out and to not let the fan spin, so better to hold it and to not spin while you're cleaning it. Normally there shouldn't happen anything, but it's still safer. I know earlier fans, they can produce they work like a generator, let's say. When they spin, they can produce a voltage, and it can happen if it spins too fast that the voltage is getting high and you can damage something. For example, I think this is driven by the PWM signal comes from the south bridge directly, so it's better probably to unplug it and to hold it so it cannot spin, or to get it out before using this thing. So that's what I'm going to do. And of course links are in the description. So let's see if we can quickly clean it here. Probably it will get a bit dusty here, but doesn't matter. The fan is out. And yeah, there is already a bit of dust. And with the brushes it's also probably easy to get it off. And I still have the probes from the video I made, I don't know, probably 2 years ago. I tested the temps in different positions and everything. And there is already dust, yeah. Let's see if we can see some dust coming out when we turn it off. So we can turn it off now here, and for charging is down here. We can see how much it is charged. And then we have 3 modes that we can select by pressing on this side. So let's turn it on quickly. So now it's blinking, it's like not running, and battery is fully charged. And now if you turn it on, it will get loud, so I will mute the video. And I'm not going to talk, so I will test 3 different modes and see if some dust is getting out or not. So let's turn on the first one. And I already cleaned, for example, my AV here for, I don't want to open it because of the warranty and everything. So I can just blow the dust a bit out underneath and over it. And also for the TV, for example, or the speakers, you can use it, yeah, for the car also. So let's test it quickly with this. So I will first blow in here a bit and then on the fan. So I'm pressing here. Okay, for the fan I will need 2 hands, I guess. And you saw it, I can hold it from here and it will still rotate the fan. And there is a turbo mode, I forgot it. When you turn it on and when you hold down this button, it will increase the RPM even more. And it's really spinning fast. And now it's cleaner. I saw a bit of dust coming out, but nothing too crazy. Yeah, this PlayStation 5 didn't run too much, maybe 200 hours. Yep, so I will probably pause the video and try to clean it a bit more before we can continue with the test. So links are in the description if you want to test something like this, try it out for yourself. Okay, now it's still fully charged. Yeah, I used it for a few minutes. I tested mode 1, 2 and 3 and it looks a bit cleaner, but I think that there is still a little small coating of dust over it. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it now. Here is where I touch with my finger. So it will get a lot of dust off, but if there is some really like glued on dust. I'm not smoking at home. I'm not smoking at all, let's say. But this is not home where we do not smoke. And I think if you're smoking, it's much worse, because then you have more sticky stuff in the air, and then the fan and everything will look worse. But there is still something on. And with the brushes, I should be able to clean it. Okay, now with this brush, now it looks like new. So I remove the other plate, and I have these holes here covered for better airflow. But normally the plate sits on here and covers it nicely. So this is probably unnecessary, but I sealed it better with this. So let's remove here the stickers and check out inside how it looks like. Here is the power supply, so I can see the holes. There the air gets inside the power supply. And from this side we can also use the super nice fan. The X3Pro, and blow it out a bit from here. And normally here there is like a spot where the dust can get inside and get stored, like say dust catcher or something like that. But it looks clean inside. Still, I'm going also to blow it out a bit from this side. So let's turn this thing on. Now it's ready. So let's go with step 2 or 3. So now it's stopped when I press here, and when I press again, it is the boost. So I can get a really high boost when I'm holding it, but I do not want to blow too much inside, because there is like a sticker, you can see it, for the probes. I do not want to get it loose. So maybe I will, in a few weeks or so, open this PlayStation 5 and remove the probes. So let's turn this off by pressing here. Now it's turned off. It's also magnetic. You can go over it easily. And make sure to not block the vent here, because the motor needs cooling. Yeah. So this PS5 is clean, and now we can continue with the other video. And yeah, once again, guys, thank you for watching, subscribing, and have a nice day. Bye bye.